your back. Got your back. What are we? Warburton-Woods Point Road. Trying to look at my GPS watch. Hey, Nick Quick. He's got an old bike there, you know, but he uses that bike well. He does good things with that bike, that old bike. He's quite comfortable with it, you know. He can run that bike very easily, how he wants, where he wants. He knows how to harness the power out of it, you know. He knows how to get the power he needs when he wants it. You know, he's quite familiar with the torque range and all that sort of stuff, and getting what he needs. Yeah, he makes good use of it, you know what I mean? Yeah, he does well. Gee, these are some nice corners, aren't they? Look at that, eh? Some nice corners. Don't know where this one's going. What kind of corner's this one? Yeah, not too bad. Looks good. Big one. This is a big long one. I'll power on early. There's a T intersection coming up. There it is. Oh, I remember this corner. Woods Point that way. He's taking a rest, is he? Well, I got footage, Nick. I gotta keep going. Later, Nick. My clock's ticking, Nick. How am I doing for petrol? 24k's to go in the tank. Bloody messages. God, let me give you that message. Far out. Alright, focus on the road, eh? Yarra Ranges. Marysville, Woods Point Road now. Marysville, Woods Point Road. Ringing a bell. Oh yeah. Cumberland Creek. Here we have a couple, GS couple. Oh, this GS couple's looking alright. Not too bad. couple on their bikes. Doing well. Oh, here we go. I think it's a GS. It's definitely a twin, that's for sure. Definitely a twin. He's calling me on. Where are we going on? Nice black. Ah, that one. Jeez, nice countryside this. Look at this, hey? Look at these tree tops. Nice. Oh, 6-8, Marysville-Woods Point Road. This is like Star Wars territory again, eh? Star Wars is back. Eat your heart out, Star Wars. Return of the Jedi. Return of the Beamer. Return of the twins into the hills. Silka. Essa smoother silka make a suit for you, eh? It's be a smooth as, huh? I use special material from Japan. Exquisite silk for you, huh? Say what you say, huh? Yummy, yummy. Snap, crackle, pop. Cyclist. Dip it this way, dip it that way, dip it like you mean it. How we do it for time? 8 minutes, heaps. Dip it like you want it. Dip it like you miss it. Trying to stay within the lines, that's all. There's no excuse for going outside the line. Even if there are no cars, you gotta still stay within the line. You gotta have that mentality, always in the line. Don't start giving yourself mentalities that like, oh, it's okay, I'll go outside the line this time or just this time. No, don't start doing that funny stuff. Don't start doing that funny stuff. Because then you be fucking it up. I mean, sorry, oops, swear word, sorry. You be mucking it up. Hey, there's Ewan! Saw Ewan, there he is. How's my fuel? I've got 15 k's left. Oh, I think I might be in the crackers. 15 k's left on my tank. I might have to roll it down the hill. 15 k's left on my tank. Far out, that's knuckers, man. I should have fueled up. Just asking for trouble, wasn't I? Good. Goodness gracious. It's in the line. Oh, in the line. That's it, you see. Stay in the line. Good control. Practice your in-lines. Don't allow room for error. Oh, sorry, allow room for error. But don't err is what I'm saying. Like, stick to your lines, you know? I think this is Ewan's favourite road. Yeah, it must be Ewan's favourite road, I reckon. Ooh, dip, 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 dip. He knows this like the back of his palm. Yeah, I don't think he's seen his rear end too much, but he knows this like the back of his palm, I reckon. This road. There he goes. Fresh air, nicely fresh, nicely cooked air, fresh off the mountains. Fresh off the mountains, yeah. There he is, in the distance. Ewan's in the distance. Wow, wow, wow. Bit of traction kicking in. Bouncy bouncies. There he is. Just can't quite get him, did he? Don't know this road as well as he does, that's for sure. We're in the line, oh, in the line! Oh, he stayed in the line, good control. Good control. In the line. That's what they're there for. The line. minutes, eh? Far out. I have to change it again. The line. Oh. I've got to take my left-hand corners and wider. I've got to come in wider. I've got a tendency to dip my nose in early on the left-hand corners. I've got to come in wider. Like wider and then dip. Oh, nah, there's a reason for that, because I don't want to go, I don't want to go wide, you see, I don't want to go across the line. I want to stay away from oncoming vehicles and cats and dogs and balls and things, you know. So, that's my philosophy. Now, one's that way, that's that way, okay, I'm going this way. Mountaintop, eh? Look at those icy trees. Pretty cool. Let's hope there's a fuel tank up here, man.